Hi guys, so today I just thought to discuss on very important thing, that is how to prepare for UPSC interview. And this is the most important actually, because we need to understand first of all, this is interview, not your viva. Okay, this is the basic difference we need to understand. We are very good in giving vivas, medicos are amazing in that, but this is interview, this is personality test. Okay, it is of 100 marks, right? And I think from 45 to 70 somewhere they give you the number to everyone who will qualify for the interview round. Okay, so now I would like to discuss all of these points with you. This is the most important video. Second part of this video will be less important. Maybe you can skip that video, but this is very important. Share with your friends who will get selected, and if you think they will get selected. So yeah, now let's talk about all of these points with example. I will try to narrate to you. Okay, so never argue with the board. Okay, so if they challenge your answer, don't get defensive. Don't get defensive. This is very important point. Don't get defensive. Okay, you, if they say that are you sure that you have to give oxygen to the MI patient, you don't have to say yes sir, I'm 100% sure. You have to say that my understanding about the current topic is that recommendations to advise oxygen is there only for hypoxic patients. If by mistake I'm saying anything wrong, I would be happy to get corrected. I would be happy to get corrected. This shows the confidence. This shows the confidence, not the arrogance. So arrogance हमने नहीं शो करना है बोर्ड के सामने. We have to stay confident. Confident और arrogance में एक difference होता है, thin line का. वो हमें समझना है, ठीक है. Next is, if you don't know anything, say no. I'm sorry, I don't recall. You have to say I'm sorry, I don't recall the exact figure or exact information. You don't have to be doing guesswork or murmuring no, you just have to simply say sorry. Okay, now think before speaking. That's what I said right now. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है ये नहीं करना है. 3 से 5 मिनट आप लो, आप सोचो आपको बोलना क्या है. बोर्ड को साइलेंस मंजूर है बट केयरलेस आंसर नहीं चाहिए. साइलेंस इज ओके, careless answer is not okay. Okay, now structure your answer before speaking. Okay, structure your answer before speaking. This means that suppose they are asking that दो patient आपके पास आए हैं, just I am giving you one condition here. दो patient आपके पास आए हैं and आपके पास ventilator सिर्फ एक available है. patient A जो है वो 28 years का है और patient B जो है वो 82 years का है. तो अब आपका क्या आंसर होना चाहिए इसके ऊपर? So you have to be like, I would make the decision based on the objective clinical criteria, the likelihood of benefit. Likelihood of benefit, ये word आपने बोलना है. likelihood of benefit, prognosis and the triage जो हमारे हॉस्पिटल प्रोटोकॉल्स में है, rather than age, wealth, society, religion, ये सब मैं नहीं देखूंगा. I would just see the likelihood of benefit, the prognosis, the triage. ये सब आपने बातें सोचनी है. I would involve the critical care team and communicate with the family carefully, and at the same time I would arrange the referral or the transfer if another ventilator becomes available elsewhere. Okay, such kind of answer you have to say. You have to structure in your mind. You don't have to show them the biasness. You don't have to show them that age is the important factor, wealth is the important factor, your personal gain is important. No, just the patient का benefit, patient welfare, patient security, safety, these things you need to come, because personality test often see ethics, medical ethics. That's it. Okay, so that you should know it. You have to structure in your mind. Next important point is like speak like officer. Okay, speak like officer का मतलब ये है कि ऐसे नहीं बोलना है कि I'll do everything. No, that should not be the mindset you should have. You should speak like an officer. That means कि I will coordinate with my staff, with ASHA workers, with the administration, referral centers. That how you have to use the words. मैं ही सब हूँ, ऐसे नहीं करना है. हॉस्पिटल में आप हीरो हो सकते हैं, बट यूपीएससी में you have to show leadership quality. You have to show leadership quality. Okay, you have to show how competent you are in organizing, in giving orders to your team. Government healthcare is a team based system. Okay, it's not an individual thing. You are not running a clinic. Okay, पेशेंट वेलफेयर, एज आई सेड, पेशेंट की सेफ्टी, एथिक्स, लॉ, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ये सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो आपके आंसर में ये वर्ड्स को ये ज़रूरी हैं, ठीक है, जब भी आप करें. डोंट क्रिटिसाइज द गवर्नमेंट. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ. डोंट क्रिटिसाइज द गवर्नमेंट. द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ फेल्ड इन द हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम. द हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम इज़ वीक. पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट वीक है. ऐसा नहीं हमने कुछ बोलना है. आपने हमेशा ऐसे बोलना है कि इंडिया हैज़ मेड सिग्निफिकेंट प्रोग्रेस बट चैलेंजेस आर देयर इन द रूरल एरियाज. गवर्नमेंट इज़ वर्किंग हार्ड टू प्रिवेंट पेपर लीक. but it is hard to manage. There are certain challenges which we come across. इस तरह के word आपने use करने हैं. Continued investment and effective implementation can further improve the outcomes. These are certain lines you need to understand, you need to bring in your vocabulary. So that's how you need to prepare. You don't have to criticize government, you have to give the balanced answer or solution. Okay, empathy is very, very important. If suppose they says, like, suppose patient 52-year-old patient dies, okay, you don't have to jump to the protocol immediately or explain something, or just they say a 52-year-old patient landed with some severe disease or what, you don't have to jump to the protocol, just start giving all the ABG करेंगे, ये करेंगे, ऐसे नहीं आपने बोलना है. आपने बोलना है ECG करेंगे, ऐसे नहीं आपने शुरू करना है. First of all, I would express my condolences to the family if the person is died. First of all, I would be sorry to listen about such grievous pain someone is suffering from. इस तरह से humanity matters the most. Humanity matters the most. You need to understand this point here, that humanity matters the most. Okay, so you have to be very formal. You have to say condolences. Okay, humanity matters the most. It is the topmost priority. Stay calm. Okay, now stay calm if interrupted. Okay, if they by chance interrupt you, you don't have to argue with them. You argue तो करना ही नहीं है किसी भी sense में. You just have to wait for a while, stop answering, wait for the next question, and keep smiling. The basic and the most important thing is that keep smiling and maintain the eye contact. These two words are most important in this whole interview thing. Okay, now the very important point is again dress and body language. Sit straight, maintain the natural eye contact. Okay, don't be nervous. They will try to keep you calm. They will say you also if you are nervous that just keep relaxed and all. Smile naturally. Thanks the board while leaving. Okay, definitely thank the board before leaving. Thank the board before leaving. Greet the board also, and just keep smiling and the eye contact. As I told you, these are the basic things. If you don't know anything, but if you can stay calm and keep smiling and give a good eye contact, you can get selected even if you don't know anything. With regards to the syllabus also, with regards to your DAF also, with regards to anything, if you don't know, but if you keep smiling, staying confident, keeping eye contact, you can get selected. So these all things you need to keep in mind, and I hope this basics of prep 1 interview, as I told you, this is the part 1 of basics of interview. I hope this will help you. In the next part I will discuss more of the questions or more of the ethical stuff.